Hi guys, it's Crystal with Design Bundles. Today we're going to sublimate on glitter so that way we can make an adorable baby bib. So let's go ahead and get started. Here are the supplies you're going to need for today's project. A printed out sublimation design, glitter HTV, a baby bib, and then a pressing pad. You're going to need scissors, parchment paper, you need non-stick, these are baking sheets, and then a heat press. I'm actually using the Cricut Easy Press today. You're going to take your baking sheet parchment tape paper, fold it in half. You're going to take your glitter HTV, peel off that top mask, if you will. We're going to set that down. You want the sticky side, which there's no sticky side, but the adhesive side, you want it down on your parchment paper. So I'm actually just going to push that down just like so. We're going to put our sublimation printed design face down on the glitter side, put our tape down to hold, and then we're going to fold that over with the parchment paper. I'm going to press this for 400 for 60 seconds. So basically we're sublimating glitter HTV. Then what you're going to do is carefully move that. We're going to peel off the paper just like so, and there you have it. You've sublimated glitter HTV. You may also notice how much brighter and vibrant that has gotten since we've sublimated it. Now for the next step, what we need to do is trim away all of this excess parchment paper. Now what's really fun about this project is you can actually sell these. So you can leave the parchment paper on the back so you can ship them out and people could use them as patches and iron them onto their projects, t-shirts, pants, whatever. So the next thing you want to do is take your scissors and fussy cut all the way around your design. Now it is so much easier when you leave your parchment paper on the back, so I highly do recommend that. Next thing we're going to do is lay down our parchment papers to protect our, pad. We're going to get down our bib and pull out any moisture and lay down those wrinkles. Then you want to take your lint roller and remove any lint. And then what we're going to do is peel off this backing. And it's amazing. This thing is, the parchment paper is made for this. It just peels right off. So what we're going to do is figure out where we want our design to go. Now you can just simply cover this with another parchment paper and press, or take that same mask that came on that glitter HTV and use it to protect your heat press. Another thing, when you ship those out, you could also do the same thing and cover those. So that's it. Super easy. Now I left my iron at 400 for 60 seconds. I would actually drop it down to like 310 and then press it for about 15-20 seconds. So there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, please hit the like button down below and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.